In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a parallel channel in TradingView. A parallel channel is a simple yet powerful way to visualize price moving between two lines that run in the same direction. It helps you spot trends, potential support and resistance, and areas where price might bounce or break out. Let's keep this clear and practical so you can follow along on your chart. First, look at the left toolbar on your TradingView chart. Find the second icon from the top. You'll see a small caret or little triangle next to it. Click that caret to open a list of channel tools. This expands the tool group so you can pick the exact tool you need. From that list, select the Parallel Channel tool. This is the one designed to draw two equal parallel boundaries with a center line in the middle. Once selected, move your cursor to the chart where you want to begin. Now, make your first click at the starting point of your trend. This could be a swing low in an uptrend or a swing high in a downtrend. Your second click should land at another point along the same trend to set the direction and the slope of the channel. Think of these first two clicks as drawing the center line's angle. They define whether your channel slopes upward, downward, or stays flat. Your third click determines how tall the channel is. After you set the slope, move your cursor to match the distance that best contains price action, then click. A good tip is to align the channel boundary with a clear cluster of highs or lows so it naturally frames the movement. If you're aiming for precision, zoom in a bit and take your time with this last click. After those 3 clicks, your parallel channel is drawn on your chart. That's the whole process. If a point isn't perfect, don't worry. You can use undo to step back or simply drag the anchor points to fine-tune the slope or the width. You can also click and drag the channel as a whole to reposition it without changing its angle. If the price action evolves, you can extend or shorten the ends by dragging the handles on either side. Use this tool to spot trending ranges, monitor potential breakouts when price pushes beyond the boundary, and identify areas where price may react. With a clean setup and careful placement of those 3 clicks, you'll have a reliable visual framework for your analysis.